It's that time again. Another Sketchbox is here. Let's get to opening this one and see what is inside the January 2023 Sketchbox. Okay, did that just stay open? Inside we have an agave watercolor Sketchbox exclusive. I think this is a Sketchbox exclusive size. The custom 4x6 pad is brought to you by Sketchbox and Hanamulle. So that is a 290 GSM 135 pound watercolor paper, 75% agave fiber and 30% cotton. So it is a blend. Let's see what else is in here. We have our little menu telling us what's going to be in the box. So I'll set that aside. Ooh, look at the artwork. Very nice. And that is Alana Blashat. If I mispronounced your name, I am terribly sorry. But there is her Instagram. And she's based in Salt Lake City. Let's see what else. Ooh. We have our little getting half pans of something. Sketchbox sticker. And our half pans are Inktense. I don't have any Inktense half pans. You guys know I have all of the full set of the Inktense sticks. So I'm excited to get these and give them a try in comparison. And we also have some Inktense pencils. There's 6 of them in here. So we'll take a look at those. And then I have a Princeton Select 1/2 inch lunar blender. So it's rounded like a filbert. I don't have this one yet, so I'm excited that it's another one that I don't have. And it looks like that is all that is in the box. So let's see. We have our little Sketchbox menu, and it says we have the Inktense pencil set, and it's going to be golden yellow, amber, peacock blue, light olive, red violet, and hot red. And it has a retail value of $20.34. So there are our Inktense pencils that we got. The Inktense pan set, it's a set of 6, sun yellow, poppy red, turquoise, hooker's green, red oxide, and Payne's gray. Ooh, I'm excited Payne's gray is in there. I love Payne's gray. There is our half pans we have from Derwent. Our little Sketchbox sticker. So the Princeton 1/2 inch lunar blender used this synthetic paintbrush to create delicate washes and blend out lines with the Inktense materials in this month's box. It has a retail value of $7.35. The Inktense paint pan set retails for $19.99 is what it says for 6. And then, of course, the Hanamulle, the agave paper, which is getting a terrible glare. Sorry, guys. Did I prop it just slightly and get rid of that? So this slightly textured watercolor paper grabs onto and holds the Inktense pigments in this month's box. The acid-free, age-resistant paper ensures your artwork will last a lifetime. And the retail value is $6.95. So this month's prompt is change. So change is the prompt to get those creative juices flowing. There is our Sketchbox for January of 2023. This feels like it's going to be, I'm just going to wet this brush real quick because it said it would to blend out the lines. And yeah, it is a bit stiffer of a brush. So I could definitely see it having the ability to work out lines that you put with your pencils. I'm excited. I can't wait to get to trying these. I'm going to do that in a separate video. And as soon as I have that finished, I will put that out for you. But I hope you have enjoyed the unboxing of the January 2023 Sketchbox. If you have ideas, does change spark ideas for you? I don't know. I have to think on that one. So I'm going to think on that one and I'll come back with another video and we will create with these. I can't wait to try the Inktense pans. I'm really excited about that. I've been wanting to try this watercolor paper also. I have some Hahnemühle, but I don't, or Hahnemühle, however you say it. I have some of their paper, but not this particular paper. So I'm excited to get to try that. I do already have these Inktense pencils, so I will probably pull these colors in the ones that I've already used from my set, but I will still work with the same colors. And yeah, there's the Sketchbox for January 2023 already. Happy New Year. Change. Lots of change. Hopefully all for the best. I wish you a very happy new year. And I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you in another video real soon. Perhaps you might want to check this one out right over here. Have a great day, guys. Keep creating. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.